Okay. It grows back so fast. Exercising. Tomorrow, I swear, I'll go to the gym tomorrow. Reading. Ironing. When will wrinkled shirts finally be hip? Cleaning out letters. Cleaning the stove. Did you even know it was possible? Putting away laundry. Washing dishes. Changing diapers. Calling tech support. Kill me now. Doing your taxes. Math is great. Paying bills. Buying money. Scrubbing the shower/tub. Moving. So many boxes. Going to the DMV. Cleaning the cat's litter box. Cleaning the toilet. How does stuff get up under the rim like that? Talking to salesmen at the door. Leave me alone, I'm binge watching. Crawling under the house for any reason. Picking up dog poo. A micro-thin layer of plastic between your hand and Asterisk teeth.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.